How to fix go2bank card not activating. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the go2bank card not activating. Start by logging in to your account on the go2bank website or app. On your account dashboard, look for the Active Card button and follow the prompts. You will need to provide the following information to verify your identity and create a PIN, the last 4 digits of your debit card number, expiration date of your card, the 3-digit security code found on the back of the card, the last 4 digits of your social security number. Alternatively, you can activate your card by going to go2bank.com/start and entering the 16-digit debit card number, expiration date, 3-digit security code, and your social security number and date of birth. If you received a go2bank offer and debit card in the mail, you can activate the card either by visiting go2bank.com/start or by calling 855-449-0703. After activating by phone, make sure to accept the terms and conditions at go2bank.com/start to complete the registration. Once activated, you can add funds to your account and start using your card.